We interrupt the regularly scheduled Halloween special program for a random melee air raid! Now, actually, it's about time I explained myself on what a air raid is. Now, let's go versus mode. Go to melee. As you already see, I already set up. 5 minutes, that's all you need. Item switch. The only thing you need on is a warp star, and it must be on. You need it only. One of the additional rules, you have score display. I recommend it if you want to see your score, if you want to see how much you kick butt. Damage ratio would be 1.0 if you want. If you want me to do a double, if you want me to do double damage ratio for more hilarity, we can. Later on, I'll be doing nothing but hammer. A hammer rush. And yeah. Also, notice the CPU are all level 9s. You'll probably notice that in the first video I did. You said. Also, I've also put CPU of my choice. First one I put Ice Climbers. Second one I put Zelda. Third one I put Samus. And you're Kirby. Let's go to Corneria for 5 minutes. Ah! No! Must get to work on death. No! Oh! Oh crap! No! Run! No! It's mine! Stop stealing my warp star! I am the one. These are from my world. Oh! You should go away, Pink. Yay! Oh! No! Ah! How is that possible? Yeah, fan favorite. Oh! Mine! Oh! 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 Ow! Okay, whoa. Oh! No! Mark! Oh! Oh! No! Oh, Wolfin! Oh! Screw you, man. I was about to kill her. Oh, crap! Come on! Screw you! Oh! Oh! Merit! Oh, I love endless air raiding. Hey! Ah! No! 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 Mine! Ah! Oh! What the? No! No, that was mine! No, I can make it! Yay! No! Oh! No! Still winning! If they were to taunt now, I would just hit them. If I can get them done. Oh, whoa! We're all air raiding! Come on! I'm the master of air raids! Yeah! No! No! Ah! Yay! Yay! Oh man, that was my KO, man. Go get your own. Ow! Okay, that's it. No more Mr. Nice Kirby. Mine! 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 Oh! Fail. Ugh! Come on! Why don't you die, Zelda? Come on, die! I was like, yes! Ugh! You're not winning, Zelda. Shut up. You got -7. You got no room to talk. None of them taunts. Ah! Mine! Mine! No! No! Oh! Okay. Crap! No! Still winning! Oh! Yeah! No! I win! Of course. Let's see. 19 KOs. 5 falls, no self-destructs. Oh yeah. At 150% damage is the poser, no R for you. No punching bag, ground favorite, lost luggage, into first, start KO, cheap KO, special KO, magnified finish, triple items, warp star KO. 19. First place, 1,000. KRs, 3,000. Defensive master, 1,000. KOs, 9,500. And falls, minus 2,500. Yay. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this wonderful random air raid. This has been your host, Legion Level 123, signing off.